Hello everyone, my name is Ilya and you are back to my channel. I don't yet really have a thing like a saying, maybe I don't need one. Today we are going to talk about how to create and sell digital products on Redbubble. Okay, this will be just a quick tutorial on how to use the website to make you money. Alright, so let's get started. So we are here in the Redbubble site and you can see these are my products, and this was not. These are my products I created. So to make one yourself, you can sign up for a Redbubble account, which is free, and you go here. So let's go as if we're gonna make a product. So you go to add new work. You'll have this button pop up in different places telling you, would you like to create a new product. So you come here, you click on upload new work. Dun, 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 dun. It's loading, and so you upload it from your file. So but before we take a product from the file, what I use to create my designs, because you cannot create a design from Redbubble, you need to take the design from another platform. So what I use is Canva. I use Canva, and this is, so I made, let's say this, I come to Canva, I design, I use styles and uploads. You can make your own design here using a template, and this is, so I created this, and so we're gonna come back to Redbubble. I saved that. So when you create your design on Canva, you go to download here and you download that page. So I made it, this is page 3. I would hit page 3, and I would click finish, and I would click download. Okay, and then once I download it, it comes here. So then it goes into the computer or your phone, whatever you make it, and then you come here and you can take that. But what I always recommend is to remove the background. Okay, so we're gonna select, I think it was this one. Let's see what this looks like. Doesn't really matter if it's the one I made or not. It would make more sense if it's the one I just made. Nope, this is Kanye for president. We're gonna replace it. But as we wait for that to load, we're going to load lunapic.com. This is what I use to make transparent background. Okay, so you come here, you upload a picture from your computer. Choose a file. Don't give me that Kanye stuff. I want the one. This is what I made. I believe this is what I made. This is what I made. So it uploads. Here it is. Oh, this is different. I had made this for fun. So we're gonna use Kanye for president just as an example. And we're going to edit. And you go to, once you upload it, you come to edit and you click on transparent background. Once you click on transparent background, you get to choose what you want to make transparent. So I want to make the blue transparent, so I click on the blue, and then it processes it, and this is what it looks like after you process it. So you see that there's still blue here. It only removed the blue background there, but you want to, let's say, remove the whole background and make that all transparent. So you come in here. The default filter is transparent area. You just have to change it to transparent color. So you change it to transparent color, and then you click apply. Once you click apply, look, the blue is gone. All the blue is completely gone, and now it's all transparent, so that Kanye for president is just gonna be on there. So then after that, you would go to file, save image. Once you save the image, then the image is uploaded onto your files. So then you come here, and then you click, and it takes you to your computer files. So we're back on Redbubble, and then you pick that image. When you choose the image, it's gonna give it to you as imaged it, because when this regular one, the regular PNG file is the one you took from Canva. After you remove the transparent background, you get it here, and so you select your picture and it comes here. Okay, So I had already selected it, so it was already here. You fill in the title. You want it to be as descriptive as possible so that it comes up more in a search bar. Same with your tags. You want as many tags as possible in here. Okay, so I can be like Kanye, presidential election, boom, things like that. And look here, it's gonna, Redbubble gives you all kinds of options of what you can put your design on. You can select to put it on t-shirts by enabling it. Usually when it's automatically disabled, it means that it might not fit on the screen, it might not make the best print. So you can go to edit and you can play around with it. You can move it. So if I want it to be here, I put it here. You can select the color. You want it to be black now, you apply changes. You can come here and change the product, because certain products have a certain amount of different types, and I'm going to show you after I apply save. Okay, now we go back out. So here are the ones we made. It had three different ones. That's why we can switch around and edit them. This standard print has 12 different standard prints. So you can enable it and you'll be selling 12 different types of these. And you can customize the color by editing it. You could customize anything you want. So let's go and enable sleeveless tops. There's only one, so you'll be selling one of these. And you go to edit, and here you can reduce the size of your product. It just makes that print smaller. You can make it larger. You can move it around if you want it to be here, here, wherever. It just has to be within the lines. So you can't have it here. Okay, it has to always be within the lines that it gives you on the t-shirt. So we could put it here for some reason. No, that looks ugly. Let's put it right here, right there. You can, this centers it horizontally, whatever, but then again you can manually just move it. And this is cool. If you want, you can make it be everywhere like this, and then again you can reduce the size of that product. It could be like that. Okay, and you can make it like this. That way when it comes out, it'll say Kanye for President everywhere, all over that shirt. Let's save this one just so you can see what it looks like. So you like what your product looks like, you apply changes. Now you go back to the top. This is what your shirt would look like. Okay, this is what it would look like when it's put on the store. And you could do that with each of these. Every single one of these, you can do that. You can change the color whenever you want. Here, you can choose the background color, default background color. So you can come here, you say you don't want it to be white, you can make it black. And then after that, it's gonna change the color, boom, done. It would make the background that for all of your shirts basically. See now, black, 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 black. Now it's made the background black for most of these. And you can still edit and change it. This one looks really nice, really clean. So you can always change it however you want. And look, you have so many options of tablets, mugs, books. So you can enable all of these. It's better on Redbubble, it's better to sell as many of the products as possible. Just like, you never know who would want socks with that design, or canvases and pins. You never know, so you might as well put all of them, choose them all, because they're sold individually anyways, and one product will recommend another product, so they'll be upselling you afterwards. So it's always good for you. And once you're ready with everything, you could even put them in collections. Let's say you have many designs, many different projects you created. You can put it all under one collection. That way people can see it as a grouping. Or you can choose to leave it individual. Here you can select kind of where it fits. You can say it's design and illustration, whatever. Just select that, and you come down here, and then if this is not mature content, so you can say no, and then you can make it private or public. Obviously you want it to be public, unless you just want to make it for fun and you don't want to sell them. But if you want to sell them, you make them public. You come here, you accept, and then you save work. After you save work, it's up. I cannot put that up because Kanye for President is I'm not allowed to do that. It's because it's a music artist. It's copyrighted. It's trademarked or something. I can't do that. I should have known. So yeah, be careful. Make sure that the products you make are not copyrighted or trademarked. Okay, so that's important. So let's go back to the steps again. So we went to Canva to create the designs. After Canva, we went to LunaPic to remove the transparent background for free. So this is free. Canva is free. Canva, there's a paid option which gives you the ability to remove transparent backgrounds, but I like free things. So after we remove the transparent background, we come to Redbubble. We create our product. But what's really important is if you're not sure whether your design is trademarked, you can go to another free site. I'm going to load it up. I'm going to load up this free site. This is going to just save you a lot of hassle. Okay, you're going to thank me later. Let's find it. There we are. Okay. Yep. I know. There. USPTO.gov. Main trademarks. HTML. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, so you come here, search trademark database. And I just use basic word mark search to see whether my item is trademarked. So here's a site. You go here. I might make a video just on this. And then you put live. You want it live. Dead means you can use it, but you just want to check if someone is using this right now and if they're using it to sell apparel as well. I use the US one. I guess it's good enough. I don't know. So you go plural, singular, both, and you pick live. You type whatever it is you're trying to check. And then you submit query, and it'll show you whether or not that thing is able to be used. So there, it gives you a whole list of all of these. And then you can click on each of them. You could even try to filter here to try to have less things on the search bar, and then you see whether or not you can use it. Okay, it's like that. So LunaPic, check if it's trademark, use Canva, and then upload to Redbubble. Once you've uploaded your art to Redbubble, it's done. You don't have to do anything else. It's up there, and Redbubble will try to market it for you. You could try to play with the prices. So I'm gonna do future videos on more in-depth how to use Redbubble, but this is just the basics of how to use it. Okay, I just showed you basically all you need to get started, and after you do all of these steps, your work will be on. It'll be on here, it'll be displayed, it'll have the pricing and how many products. So this design that I made, Live at 100%, I made 59 products and they're up on sale, and these are the other ones, and they're just like displayed there in the store. Alright, so, and yeah, like I said, they will try to help you with advertising this. So that's it for now. Thank you for staying till the end, for watching this video or listening to this video, for people that are just listening. And I hope this content was useful. I'm gonna leave links below to LunaPic and all of the rest of these things, and stay tuned for the next video. If you really like it, please hit the like button. And please subscribe. I need more subscribers. I want to know that I have a community. And if you want more videos like this, you can punch the notification bell.